What's up, YouTube? Yeah! Let me tell you something. I've had this GoPro for about a month now. I've probably made about 10 intro videos, only to realize that every time there's been an issue, mostly camera angle. And I tried shaving down my mount a little bit, so I don't have to mount it upside down and run it this way, but that's the way we're doing it. Woohoo! Howdy, y'all. I actually just got done cleaning my chain, washing my bike at one of those little put $2 in the coin machine and spray your shit as fast as you can, because you only got 4 minutes. Car washes. And then, also just went to my dad's and changed my oil. I changed the oil! You got 15,000 miles on it. I've had the Z900 since the end of April. It is now almost the end of December. I was kind of bummed because, like, I had a plan where I was going to do, like, my first motovlog back as at Woodsman Cup, which is a race that my buddy holds every year in Geneva. But my tent filled up with rain the night before, and I rode home. I got home at 5 a.m. and time between then and when I got up at 9-ish. Someone tried stealing both mine and my girlfriend's bike. Girlfriend's on an Ninja 650, but they stole my battery. So I had to end up going to Walmart, buy a shitty cheapo Walmart battery, let it charge. Yeah. It was sucky. And you know what? I've had a 636 stolen before, and it's not a good feeling, man. It's really not. And let me tell you, I'm gonna do whatever I can to prevent this in the future, because, man, people who do shit like that, they almost don't even deserve to be around. And fucking get out of here, man. Like, I don't steal shit from anyone. Why are you gonna steal my shit? Come on now. Anyway, I'm on a 17 Z900. I'm low on gas, but that's okay because I'm going right down the road. I grew up racing dirt bikes. Name, on YouTube at least, is Keith Moto. Keith the Beef. Oh, Keith the Beef. Oi, it's Keith the Beef. What's up, beef heads? Beef heads. Or Keith heads. Beefy Keefy heads. Anyway, yeah. Grew up racing dirt bikes all my life. Did some FCR hair scrambles and enduros. Shit, I probably did that for nearly 10 years, and then boom. My parents always said, "You can't have a street legal motorcycle under our house." So, when I first got my first student financial aid refund from the year in college, I went and did not pass the majority of my classes, but college isn't for everyone, by the way. Don't let them force it on you. But I bought a Honda Ruckus, and now I modded that out, did a 2-stroke swap. Took forever. You know, kind of like people's racer projects and shit. I had a Sachs Madass. What else? 200cc Chinese bobber with a foot clutch and jockey shift. I've had a Kawasaki Vulcan 900. I borrowed my buddy's DRZ 400 for probably at least a year, along with his Vulcan 1500. And then, I got hit on my Vulcan 900 while I was stopped at a red light. That story will be for another video. 636, SV650, I've had a Gixxer. Yeah, I've had a bunch of different kinds of bikes. And let me tell you, I'm making this channel because I plan on riding and owning a whole lot more. Well, we're going to beat the minivan. Oh yeah, yeah. Doggy dog! Yow! Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope y'all have a happy new year. This is just a intro video for me to throw this out there and be like, hey, what's up? I'm Keith Moto. You know, expect some good dual vlogs from me and the girl. Maybe some off-roading videos on this thing. I have taken off-road, I have jumped it. Shit, I've done 75 miles an hour down dirt roads. I'll get a video one day and show y'all how to do it. Show y'all how to ride your bike. Oh, this guy's riding around with his door open. Welcome to the holidays. Maybe a flasher. Ow! Flasher! Boom. Anyways, later.